Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched the state's first own university, Captain Williamson Sangma State University, on Monday. This milestone marks a significant step in the state's educational advancement. The university, named after Meghalaya's first Chief Minister, Captain Williamson A. Sangma, aims to promote research, innovation and transformative change in the state's educational scenario. The launch was attended by dignitaries including Speaker Thomas A. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar, Education Minister Rakam Sangma and Power Minister Abu Taher Mondal. The University Grants Commission recognized the establishment of the university as per Section 2F of the UGC Act 1956.
In the past, because there was no state university, the colleges had no option but to affiliate to NEHU. Recently, Government of India has introduced the condition of the CUET exams, which must be taken by the students applying to any college affiliated to central government universities, including NEHU.